Welcome to another Women and a Series within Zetobo Sigwe, Ezikolomuo. Today I want to discuss Ikpotu. I know a lot of people have disturbed me about this video, how to do Ikpotu and all that. Now I'm trying to see how we can do this without the traditional religious hassles attached to the ceremony. I call this a kind of alternative route to Ikpotu. So Ikpotu, a three-factor authentication process. Many are worried on how to align with their Shi. The ancient method, the normal traditional method of aligning with your Shi, gives room for little flexibility in this modern time. You know, there is a lot of ritual aspects involved in it that you need a dibia, your father, or someone to guide you through a process. Now, I hold the view that developing your relationship with your Shi is the most important critical aspect of your journey into Ordinana. Because this developing a relationship with your Chi is a critical aspect, is an integral aspect of Ordinana. I believe that the ceremony of Ikpotu should be less rigid than how it has been made to be. If you follow the traditional method, if you are not in your home place, it might be very difficult for you to do Ikpotu. If you do not understand the ritual aspect, it might be very difficult for you to Ikpotu. If in fact, if you do not have some materials like cork and you will not be able to do Ikpotu. So I'm trying to see how we can, someone that wants to do Ikpotu and Keta and Keichi can cut off some of this traditional, this rigid method and make it more flexible. So because, like I said, that relationship is very important. This is why I call this the three-factor authentication process. So all you need for this method I'm going to teach you is just what? Kola nut. All you need is what? Kola nut. Other materials, as important as they are, can wait. If you have unzu and if you have nkwoku, they are mere addition. So anywhere you are in the world and you are concerned and you want to do Ikpotu, this method I'm going to teach you now is going to help you. It's going to be of great help to you. You can do this and start your journey with your Shi, who is your personal guide. There is no point to delay again. You don't need to call anybody. You don't need to call anybody. You can do this by yourself. Even the normal rigid process, I usually teach it. If you come to be here, I will teach it. I will tell you, you don't need to involve me. I don't need to come. If you are calling me, I'm not going to come. There is only one caveat. Before you do this, ensure you have your own space. And the space should not be your father's house. If you do not have your own space, don't do this. You need to have your own what? Personal space. Be it one room, be it no matter how tiny the place is, but it's your own space. Do not share that room with someone. If you're sharing the room with someone, you don't need to do this. If you are still living with your father in your parents' house, you don't need to do this. Don't say Zezi Kolomo said, no, I didn't say anything. I'm saying if you don't have your own personal space that you are in charge of, don't do this. If you are living under your own, under your parents' roof, under your father's roof, please do not do this. So step one, with a kola nut, Ojibo. This kola nut has to be Ojibo. It doesn't have to be Ugolo. It doesn't have to be Goro. It has to be what? Ojibo. There is a reason why it's Ojibo. So with kola nut, look directly into the sun and tell your Shi that it is today you're officially opening a register with him or her. Look inside the sun. Well, it's you. Not I can now what you more when you do to a more when you do to achieve a ball. You don't need to call the name of your Shi. Just use the word Shi. Chim a ball. Not I can now what you. Na nne da anya nwe na asị chime ebe ọ na ịnọ n'ọta ka nna emego ka nna akpọtụrụ ya wolo okeru ta ka nna as in develop my relationship with you and all that. So today you are asking him or her to take the lead. Na ndị be si na onye buru chi ụzọ gbawa onwe n'ọsọ na ịchọrọzi ibu onwe gị ụzọ n'iji onwe na ịbịalụ na ịchọ ka chi bụ olu gị ụzọ kpelu gị azụ ka o buolu gị ụzọ na eke buolu gị ụzọ n'oye buolu gị ụzọ na afọ buolu gị ụzọ na nkwọ na onye na-esi echi aga ọ gawa dịka oji ọgwụ aga n'ịchọ ka iji ụwa wuru chi so m na chi m dum aga ka ngụwawu chi m duru m wee na-aga na ngụwawu odum eje m bụrụ odum ana m duo m n'ụbọchị niile nke ndụ m n'onye ọwa ife nji akpọtụrụ ụta ka i wee na-edu m wee duo m ka m wee gaa ije ụwa m ọfụma. Now, after making this prayer while looking at the sun, you now take that kola nut to the place you have marked in your room, in your own personal work room, in your own personal space, the place you have marked as that is going to be your private word altar. I have taught, I've done a video on how to raise a private altar or a personal altar. You can go and watch the video. You now take that kola nut that you used to pray. Don't throw the kola nut outside and don't eat it. Don't break it. You take it and go and drop at that very spot. Now, step two. Step two is now daily prayer at that altar at a specific time frame. This specific time frame must be maintained. It has to be in the morning. The prayer with your sheep has to be in the what? Morning. Once you wake up in the morning, once you break your day, you make your daily prayer. And you have to maintain it at a very specific time. It's not if you pray today in the morning, the next day you pray in the afternoon, the next day you pray in the night, the next day is in the evening, another time you try again in the morning. Or some will pray today and they will not pray again after 7 weeks or 1 week. They will now remember, they now come back again to pray. No, you are not serious. Daily Igofo is the most important aspect of this journey. Every day. If you want to be serious, if you want to get this right, that's why I keep saying that this step is the most important. So many people think that Ikpotu is the most important. People break their head trying to do Ikpotu, not knowing that that is not even the most important. The most important is Igofo Toto. Igofo Toto every day at a particular time. It requires a lot of spiritual discipline, spiritual strength for you to execute this. And once you start doing it daily at a specific time, with time you start seeing that you are not talking to yourself. You start seeing the result. You start knowing there is a connection between you and your chi. So daily prayer is the most important aspect of acknowledging your chi or the ritual of Ikpotu chi. You can do this daily prayer with kola nut. If you have kola nut, you can do it. Imecha ewa the drop or nechiu the tank. This time around, ewa the nechiu the. It's not if you finish praying, you drop the kola nut. No, if you finish praying, you break the kola nut and you eat the communion with your chi. Right? Now, you can also do it with nzu. You can also do it with hot drink. If you are doing with hot drink, you drop the hot drink for your chi and also you partake of it. I hope you know that hot drink just signifies happiness. So you can also include Ekpele Mkpoko Obosi, that's evening prayer. This one is not compulsory, but the morning one is mandatory. Ekpele Mkpoko Obosi, evening prayer. Why praying your daily prayer? Always remember that yesterday's prayer cannot take care of today's prayer. Starts and ends with what? Yesterday. So every new day brings its own new challenges. So that's why you must be sure. You must make effort to ensure that you pray what? Daily. In the Bible, they say pray ceaselessly. Pray without ceasing. Daily prayer is inevitable. We go for every day. I go long way for. Only would be I go long way for every day. Keep praying. Keep reminding your forces to make sure that that no harm comes before your children, your own family, your business, your life. It's your job to be doing that ego photo every day. It's a decree. It's a releasing powerful words. That's what it is. Now you're also remembering your chi daily that because the job of your chi is to ensure that you do not see shame, that to ensure that your what belongs to you gets to you, that what belongs to you in this journey of your life gets to you, is not taken away by an enemy. Now, why doing this daily prayer? This step to always ensure that you know the market day. You always remember the force is guiding that market day to do what? Bring you what is yours that market day. On a ketalumi forma, on uye, uyeta yetalumi forma, on a fotalumi forma, on unquo, can quarter megono fotalumi forma. Let the market day release the blessing, the good tidings in store for you for the day. Now, step 3, feast. Feast in honor of your she yearly or as your spirit or she directs. You must make sure that you do feast in honor of your chi. You must, in fact, know this that if you're organizing feast in the name of your chi, you're actually organizing feast in your own name. It's as if you are celebrating your own birthday. Organizing feast for your chi is as if you are celebrating your own what? Birthday. Someone who is celebrating his own birthday is celebrating himself. So this can be done through giveaways. For those who say that, oh, where I am, you can't see chicken, you can't see yam, you can't see, do it through giveaway. I can do, if you want to do feast in the name of Yoshi in this modern time, you can do it through giveaway. You can buy things and give it to people so that people will be happy in your name, in your cheese name. So tell your she, this is what you are going to do for him or her. This is how you intend to celebrate it. I'm trying to create a flexible way for you to do things that relates to you and your able to she and your relation, your journey with your she. So feast. Let me explain what this feast is for you. Let me break it down. Feast are like Ezwafia. Have you seen a market? A market is the most liveliest place on earth. A market is the most liveliest place on earth. So each time you do feast, organizing feast, you are trying to create, reenact the market scenario in your life. If it's, you are doing it in your compound, you see that your compound will come alive that particular day, like how market used to do what come alive. So you are breathing life, injecting life into your compound, into your own self, into your own energy. Market is about coming and going. That's how people will be coming in and people will be going. Or that people will be eating, people will be celebrating. Market is a lively place. It's a place of celebration. No matter how small people have money and all those things, everybody seems happy in the market. So, so is this energy that you are channeling whenever you organize feast in the name of your chi? Now, all I'm going to say as a reminder is whenever you get to your own base, to your own house, your village, where you are from, you can now do all these things the proper way. Both the Ikpotu, both apart from daily prayer that you still need to be doing and this feast. That's when you need to use chicken, use goat, and all that. You won't say that you are doing the giveaway by buying biscuit to give people. No, if you cannot kill fowl, you cannot kill goat, you cannot kill cow wherever you are. Please, whenever you can do giveaway, but whenever you touch down to your village, do it how it can be done. But in absence of the word preferable, the available will always becomes what? The preferable. So I've given you a three steps authentication on how to do it what to she, how to align with your she, how to develop the relationship with your she, so that you can start the journey today. No more excuses. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen or my email address or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.